We just finished this Tundra TRD Pro here at TonnoFlip shop. Now I'm gonna take it outside so I can do the installation of the interior floor liners and the bed mat. Installed TFP door visors already. We also have a TRD Pro here for the same thing. Now let's see the installation. All right guys, let's do a comparison here with the factory floor liners versus the TonnoFlip floor liners. I'm just gonna show you the difference between these floor liners and the factory ones from Tundra TRD Pro. If you can see here, raised edges, anything that spills here is gonna stay on the mat. This one, flat design. Look at the difference here. So you can see it clearly. Now I'm gonna be installing it so you can see the fitment, the driver's side, easy installation using the factory clips, as you can see here. It's covering the whole floor. Look at this, getting there. All the edges covered. If anything spills here, it's gonna stay on the mat, and now you can take it out and just throw it away. All right, let's install the rear floor liner. I'm gonna show you how it covers the whole floor. It's a very easy installation. You just throw it in there, and it's gonna be covering the whole floor, the center here. Look at the raised edges, and it's going to inside the seats. I'm gonna put them back so you can see how it looks. This is the actual position that the seat is gonna be at when you're driving. This mat is covering the whole floor, even here. Now I'm gonna do the passenger side here, taking the factory mat out. This is how they come in the box. Real quick here, so you can see, look, again, factory clips. You're gonna be using the factory clips. You just twist it here, and it's gonna be perfectly aligned with the floor. Look at this, just came out the box, and it sits perfectly on this Tundra TRD Pro 2026. If you want protection from your interior, you should get the TonnoFlip floor liners and get rid of the factory ones. Now we're gonna be installing the bed mat. Why? Because you don't wanna get scratches on a new truck. So we have the TonnoFlip bed mat. Look at this. Just throw it in there. Let me get up here. If you get it like this, you just roll it the other way like this, right? And now it should sit perfectly here, covering the corners, covering the front. Let me get up here real quick. I'm gonna take my shoes off because I don't want to get this truck dirty. It's a brand new truck from a customer, and you know, same thing here. You just roll it the other way, let it go, covering the corners, everything here. All right guys, final product, covering the whole bed, the corners, the front, everything. Now this bed is protected and it's not gonna get any scratches. Easy installation. You can do this like in 5 minutes, the whole thing. Interior and bed mat, perfect fitment, the best quality. We've been doing this for 14 years here at TonnoFlip shop, so the product is tested. This is not just an online store, guys. Again, as you can see here, perfect fitment in the interior floor liners by TonnoFlip, covering the whole floor. Now we got protection for this Toyota Tundra 2026 with the best product, TonnoFlip. And remember, you can get them at TonnoFlip.com, launching this March 2026, Miami, Florida.